Work out your imagination.
Here's how to make a cute candy storage box. You'll need a patterned paper, glue stick, scissors, pencil, and yarn. Take a square or rectangle sheet of colored paper. On one edge, fold a small stripe about 1 centimeter to create a tab for gluing later. Fold the paper in half lengthwise. Fold it again in half to make a long strip. Fold the bottom edge of the strip to the center. Cut the edges diagonally to create a tapered shape. Fold the upper edge of the strip to the center in the same way. Cut the edges diagonally to create a tapered shape. Unfold the paper completely. Apply glue to the small tab and stick the edges together, forming a cylindrical tube. Press the sides inward to create the twisted candy effect at both ends. Tie both ends with yarn or ribbon to complete the candy look. You can place small candies, notes, or tiny gifts inside before sealing the ends. Your cute candy storage box is ready. Happy playing!